Welcome to Did You Know? Today we are answering a question that everyone thinks about but nobody wants to ask. Why does the bathroom smell so bad, and why do feces have a much stronger smell than urine? To find the answer, we have to look at the secret chemistry happening inside your body right now.
Did you know that your pee starts with the food you eat?
Scientists call urine, and many people call number 1, when you eat excess proteins, your body cannot store them for later use. Instead, the extra amount is sent to the liver to be broken down in a process called deamination. This process turns that extra protein into a chemical called ammonia. Because ammonia is quite strong, your liver quickly turns it into urea to keep you safe. When you go to the bathroom for a number 1, that urine leaves your body. But here is the interesting part. Once it hits the open air, tiny germs turn that urea back into ammonia gas. That is why an old bathroom smells like strong cleaning supplies. Now let's talk about poo, which is formally known as feces, or more commonly, number 2. Before we explain why it smells so strong, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more scientific information. We post videos like this all the time to help you understand how your body works. So why is number 2 the stink champion compared to urine? Unlike urine, which is mostly filtered water, feces are a solid mix of old food, dead cells, and trillions of tiny living things called bacteria. These bacteria live in your gut to help you digest things you can't break down on your own. As they eat, they release gases that contain sulfur. If you have ever smelled a rotten egg, you know exactly what sulfur smells like. Did you know that your nose is actually a super sensor? Humans are built to be very sensitive to the smell of sulfur and rotting things. This is a survival trick from nature. Our brains tell us the smell is gross, so we stay away from it and don't get sick. Number 2 also contains bits of fat and protein that are rotting. This creates a very heavy smell that is much thicker than the light smell of number 1, which is why it hangs in the air for a long time. What you eat also matters. If you eat lots of meat or eggs, you are sending more protein to the liver for deamination, and you are giving those gut bacteria more sulfur to work with. This makes the smell of your feces much more powerful. Even vegetables like asparagus can change the smell of your urine because of special acids inside them. So, the next time you have to hold your nose, just remember, it is just a sign that your body's internal factory is working hard to keep you healthy. Thanks for watching this episode of Did You Know, and we will see you in the next video.
Like, share, and hit the bell so you never miss a Biobeatstune video.